So today we'll be looking at foraging ecology and giving up densities. So first we'll look at trade-offs. So animals have a finite amount of time and energy to use to accomplish a number of tasks, which include finding food, finding mates, finding shelter, whatever they need to be alive. So whenever you're looking at how an animal uses its time, it gives it an insight into animals' environments and their life history priorities. So when foraging, an animal must spend energy, so a cost, to consume and gain energy, so benefits. So what are foraging costs and what are prey energy gains, right? So some costs of foraging include distance traveled, handling time, stationary versus mobile prey, and predation risk, and some gains are nutrient content, prey size, prey abundance, and density. So animals try to forage optimally, so benefits are greater than the costs. And then we go into the patch use theory. The patch use theory says that animals live in heterogeneous environments where resources are patchily distributed. So shelter is found in one place, water is found in another, and predators roam from different patches. The patch use theory predicts that a foraging animal will cease using a patch when the cost of foraging exceeds the benefits. So the costs may include the distance traveled in between the patches, the potential of predation, or the quality or quantity of the resources. So this is the marginal value theorem. So you see you could have the total energy gain by the time, or the time by the total energy gain, and then GUT or gut is the giving up time. So when an animal decides to move on from the patch that they're currently using. Giving up time should be shorter when patches are closer together, because they could just move from one patch to another with very little energy usage. So giving up density is the amount of food remaining in a patch when the animal gives up and moves on to a different patch, or the number of foragers. So patches that are relatively safe are much preferred, have low GUDs, or very low food left behind, and lots of foragers. Patches that are riskier and less preferred, high GUD, have more food left behind and there are fewer foragers in those patches. So this box here shows that what factors affect an animal's foraging decisions. So you have external factors, which include all those listed. You have internal factors, so like hunger, age, sex, and dietary preferences. And then you have historical factors, so sensory limitations, their mouth shapes, their sprint speeds, and their conservative foraging mode.